Today I'm excited to guide you through how to use your brand new iPhone 16. Whether you're upgrading or it's your first phone, this complete beginner's guide will help you get started, so let's jump right in. First, unbox your iPhone 16 and set it up. Inside the box, you'll find your iPhone, a USB-C to Lightning cable, and some basic documentation. Press and hold the side button to turn on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language and connect to Wi-Fi. Next, set up your Apple ID, which is essential for accessing the App Store and iCloud. If you already have an Apple ID, sign in. If not, create one right here. iCloud is a great way to back up your data, so consider enabling it during setup. Now that your phone is set up, let's explore the home screen. Swipe right or left to navigate between screens. You'll find your apps here. You can tap to open any of them. To rearrange, just press and hold an app icon until they jiggle, and then drag them to your desired location. After that, click on Done. Now let's dive into the Settings app, where you can customize your iPhone. Here you can adjust your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth notifications and more. Don't forget to set up Face or Touch ID for security. Now the iPhone 16 comes with an incredible camera. To access it, open the camera app and you should switch between different modes: photo, video, portrait, cinematic, pano, slow-mo, time-lapse and more. Tap the shutter button to take a photo or hold it to record a video. Now let's download some apps from the App Store. Open the App Store and browse for the app that you want to download. To download it, simply click on Get and simply download it. You may need to enter your Apple ID or use Face ID as well. Now let's talk about how to send messages and make calls. Open the Messages app to send text. Tap to Compose button, select a contact and start typing. For calls, use the Phone app. Tap Contacts to quickly call someone. Finally, let's explore some other cool features of your iPhone 16. Check out Siri by holding the side button or saying "Hey Siri." You can ask questions, set reminders and more. Explore widgets by long pressing the home screen and tapping on Edit Home Screen and click on Add Widget. And here you can add various widgets as well. And that's a wrap on our complete beginner's guide to using your iPhone 16. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.